Westclox collection of watches. You might be able to hear them tick. You can see the second hand moving sometimes. You gotta reactivate them once in a while. They were called dollar watches in the 70s. And that's a stopwatch. I got that one on eBay right now. This guy's trying to get me to give it to him for like $12. You can see that little second hand right there. See the second hand is moving on the bottom. These are the Westclox Scotty. This is the Westclox pocket band. Sometimes they work, sometimes you gotta tap them. There, you see the second hand start working on the bottom. Yeah, these are my Westclox right there. These are two Scotties. Pocket band. Yeah, they're one of them. People are selling them sometimes like $15, $20, and I don't really want to sell them when they're that, you know? Because they're like the American timepiece. I mean, they were called dollar watches back in their day, Westclox. Pocket band. But you got to kind of agitate them to get them to work sometimes. I just don't want to give them up. This is my Westclox conductor's watch, and it's got a. These are made of plastic in the later years, but you can get a new crystal for that. This one works awesome. Look at the back. That is cool, dude. That one works pretty good. You can see the seconds at the bottom ticking away. You can maybe even hear it. And here's some of my other ones. Here's some silver ones that I have. Those are all silver except for the middle one, which I have on eBay right now. I'm trying to sell for like $30. It doesn't work, but I know it's worth more than $30. It's probably worth $50 because I've had them all appraised. All these silver ones are $30 to $200 each. This one is pure silver, and I put it on there for $70 on eBay, but the appraiser said it's worth $150 to $200 as is. So, and then I've got a few others. Some of them I haven't listed yet. I haven't listed that one or this one, which works great. Probably get about $30 for that at least. That's a good quality one, and I'm not sure which one it is, but I have already appraised it. Right there you can see the name. And here's a couple of $5 ones that I got. I've sold a few of these $5 ones. These are just Chinese ones like you get at the Walmart. But they're kind of cool. They're neat looking. They're battery operated. This one I just put on there today. And somewhere I have that little handle that goes on top there, but here's my Chinese ones. These are about 15. I got them listed for $17 each. But they are the dragon ones. And then a couple of silver ones. I asked them for like $35 on this one. That's pure silver. They weigh about 2 ounces each, so you know they're kind of small. They're ladies' watches, and you can put them on necklaces. I guess that's the way they wore them. But with the necklace and everything, see, this one has the crystal on it, but it doesn't have the hands and it doesn't run. This one doesn't run either, but it's pure silver. So I'm trying to make my money on them. I hate to sell them, the silver ones especially. Gonna have a bid on these little ones for $35 for 3 of them. And those are rose gold. These are rose gold ladies' watch, and they're American-made Elgin watches. They don't look like much, but they're really neat and they're classical. Wait till you see the inside of this, if I can get it open. Well, anyway, I've got 3 of these. Non-operational on a bid for $30 for all 3. That's probably the best one right there. This bottom one. I did my research on them and I had them all appraised. Those 3 are on a bid right now. Somebody started bidding on them. So if you see them on eBay, you want them, you know, just bid on them. Win these other people. They're probably just going to fix them and resell them like jewelers. I'm not a jeweler, so I don't know about tearing these things down and all that. I'd love to learn how to do it, but you almost have to have a shop to do it. Anyway, a few more here. I got this one and it works. It's a Nelson. It's a little scratched up, and look at the artwork on it and stuff. So ladies, like a pendant watch. And this one is on a bid right now. It's broken, but it is a Arnett. I forget the name of it. It's right there. But you got. And this one's going on a bid, silver. Sterling silver. It's got a down. Sterling silver. What a beauty, huh?